I have been summoned, and don't you worry, we're gonna crush some ice today. Hey, it's Kimberly, and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and here we go. I have the Ninja Blast. I am ready to do a full out detailed video. So if you didn't see my YouTube short, I did a video using the Ninja Blast blender months ago, I want to say. So many of you had questions about if it could crush ice on its own, different types of blending. So we're going to get into that today. And I'm just super excited because when I was trying this out, I really wanted it. Currently, I have a much larger blender. I've had it for as long as you've seen the videos. And while I loved it, one of the things that I mentioned in that video was that it was pretty loud. And every day since then that I've been using that blender, which is pretty much almost every day, so for years now, I am always conscious of the fact that I live in an apartment and my neighbors will hear when I'm blending every single day and just how intense it is. So I'm looking forward to giving them a little bit of a break. This one is the 18 ounce, which is the exact same one I had in the original video. It is just a different color, and this one is new. Now, my question as I open this up, so many comments were asking me about crushing ice, and it does say on there that it should be able to crush ice, but I have not come across a moment where I need to crush ice. So I just need everyone to just comment down below, like, when are you crushing ice? Because I just have ice cubes and I have a little ice mold and I just use those ice cubes in my drink. Am I missing out on life? Is it for mixed drinks? Is it for cocktails? But there were just so many questions about it being able to crush ice, and I just got to know, like, what am I missing out on? Shaved ice? Is that what it is? So the specific one that I got, because there are a variety of them, is that this one comes with a blade cover and a vessel cap. I remember that was super sold out the last time, so by now it should be back in stock. It's been like 7 months or so. This one is the vessel cap, and this is the blade cover. It's covering the blade for safety. Here is the USB-C plug. This is the Ninja Blast. And here it is. Okay, and just for comparison, I can't believe I still have this. This is the Magic Bullet. I've had this for so many years now. I haven't been using it for a bit because I have the big Ninja. But for size comparison, if you just want to see, the Ninja Blast is obviously more sleeker and easier to carry on the go. So this is how I used to carry my blender on the go when I would be doing dance contracts in different states and countries and all that. I would put this in my checked luggage, for example. But if I were to travel now, I would be able to just use this, which is convenient. And of course, this is not a portable blender. I'm just giving a comparison in size. A lot of people are talking about how they couldn't line up the arrows. That's definitely a major concern. So there are the arrows on the back that do need to be lined up. The default time for this is a 30-second blend. We've got the pop cap, if you were carrying this on the go, at the top, and it snaps on. You have the handle right here. This is what you would unscrew if you were ready to load up. Because this could be used on the go, you can unscrew on both sides, which is really convenient. And then, of course, we've got the blade right here. This is what the blade looks like. And then, as I mentioned before, you've got your start and stop. And then they have the sticker with all the possible reasons what all the flashing would mean. But the most important thing right now is to be charging this for the 2 hours that it said it needed. Just so you can see that the blade cap does fit, I'm gonna close it. So this would be convenient for traveling, again, and traveling safely. If you didn't want to have the cup attached to this, you could separate the two. Then this piece goes to the bottom of the vessel, and it's the vessel cap. And then that's how these two pieces would function on the go. And so now that it's charging, this is the perfect time to go ahead and wash all of these. One thing I just want to point out right away that I already love, and I mean, I already knew this because I used the blender before, but there's not that many pieces to it. I really like that it is simple. This is kind of also the thing that is holding me back from getting a juicer. It's because it's really easy to clean these, and sometimes with the juicers, they're far more intricate. I do really want a juicer, but I just gotta like figure it out first. But for now, I'll just be doing what I recommended in another video, which is to just blend it up and then you can strain it with a cheesecloth. I feel like almost all blenders have like a different way of loading them. So this one, you're gonna have your liquids on the bottom, then fresh fruits, greens, sticky, seedy, peanut butters, all that are next. And then finally you finish off with the frozen. And now for the moment of truth, I'm going to try blending these ice cubes without any liquid. That should be enough ice for the first round. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. It's lighting up. When it's solid purple, which it doesn't look like on the screen right now, but it is solid purple, you can start. Oh no. Oh. Okay, so the blade got blocked. This is live. Okay, it's gonna keep getting blocked. Well, that was super interesting. I think we know the answer here. This is your crushed ice moment. I'm not unhinged, I promise. I just think this is really funny. So, as we know, this is not the way you're supposed to make a smoothie. The ice is supposed to be on top, but I'm gonna try to make this into a small smoothie so I don't waste this ice or anything like that. Now, let's see if we can right that wrong now that some liquid has been added. I'm gonna turn it on again and let's see what happens. It shut off because I hadn't been using it for a bit. That sounds much better. Well, that was informative, was it not? Crushing ice? 3 out of 10? 4 out of 10? When liquid is added, obviously it works better. Crushes ice enough for a smoothie or enough for a chilled drink. Doesn't crush ice enough for sole purpose of crushing ice. If you are blending and you want to stop it sooner, you do not have to only wait for the 30 seconds. You can stop it at any time within that 30 seconds or just wait till the end. And then the big thing is that you can easily just carry it on the go with or without the blade. I like having this little bottom vessel thing because I'm more likely to carry this part on the go. But if I had to travel with the whole thing, I absolutely could. And once again, if you were traveling with this, you would just cover it up. So if you do bump one of these, like the start button, it was flashing white just now. And if you look over here, flashing white means the vessel and the base not aligned. So it's already going to recognize that something's not up and it's not going to work. I really like it. I think it's convenient. I love the idea that it can be on the go. I love that it's going to be easy to clean. I love that it blends really well. That is going to be my video. That is to answer the most pressing question, which was, could the Ninja Blast handle ice and crush it on its own? So let's have a conversation down below. What do you think? Does this change things massively for you? Are you on the hunt for the strongest blade that could also be portable? This is still a win in my books for the things that I need, but I am curious on your opinions. I've links to everything down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're looking to see anything else related to the Ninja Blast, let me know. Now that I have one, I can definitely test out more things to answer some questions. And thank y'all so much as always for watching, and I will see you in the next one.